welcome to Nexa India Streaming Academy Award.
Today I am seeing many celebrities, many stars are there.
There is no award in this country which celebrates OTT at an all India level.
Thank you for making that happen.
Well, thank you, Indian Streaming Academy Awards.
But like they say, my pehla nasha is acting.
New beginnings, new learnings. Thank you so much.
नहीं और क्या बोलूं? Dad, it was amazing. मैं किस किस्म का पिताजी हूँ तुम्हारा?
Thank you, it's been a great journey.
When a director truly believes in you,
gave me goosebumps. That itself is the greatest honor for me. Thank you to the Indian Streaming Awards.
Nexa presents the Indian Streaming Academy Awards Season 2. Bigger, braver, beyond cinema.
Let's have a huge round of applause for our award night. And before we bring the night alive, ladies and gentlemen, please join us in welcoming on stage Mr. Raj Nayak, co-founder of the Indian Streaming Academy, for welcoming address.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the second edition of the Indian Streaming Academy Awards. We are truly grateful and deeply. When my co-founder, Vishnu Induri, a man full of ideas and passion, that the OTT industry in India deserves its own platform, one that celebrates talent across all languages and all regions. This would not have been possible without the support of the platforms, the production houses who came forward, participated and believed in this idea. And of course, the talent community across the industry, many of you who are with us. Thank you very much. I must mention our title sponsor, Maruti Nexa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alexa, play music.
For the ones who have it all, presenting the Maruti Suzuki Victoris. Got it all.
Presenting the award for the Best Original Story Series Hindi.
And the winner is Panchayat Season 3 Prime Video.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's honor the Best Original Story Series Regional. Next up, it's time to honor the Best Story Web Original Film Hindi.
Now is the time to honor the Best Story Web Original Film Regional.
And the award goes to Shalini Kondepudi, Cam Entertainment, My Dear Donga.
OTT Business Leader of the Year.
The OTT Business Leader of the Year. This is somebody whom I'm very proud of, and my ex-colleague, Gaurav Gandhi.
I'm collecting this award on behalf of my amazing team, my colleagues, many of you are here. Thank you.
Congratulations. The next award is to honor the Best Original Soundtrack Series Hindi. And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Ashutosh Govarikar and Isha Shah.
The best original soundtrack series Hindi is Ana Rahman, Ghar Mahi, Bandish Bandit Season 2, Prime Video.
Alexa, play music.
For the ones who have it all, presenting the Maruti Suzuki Victoris. Got it all.
We are proud to honor Mukesh Chabra with the Casting Pioneer Award. And to give away this award, I would like to invite on stage Mr. Raj Nayak.
हिंदुस्तान में जितने लड़के लड़कियां जितने भी एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स हैं, more than a director, they all know one name, and that is Mukesh Chabra. He is also known as Casting Chabra.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. आई थिंक जब मुझे पहली बार कास्टिंग में अवार्ड मिला था तो आई थिंक तब से लेकर जब भी अवार्ड मिलते हैं यू आर ऑलवेज पार्ट ऑफ इट एंड द होल इंडस्ट्री सिटिंग हियर. वन माय डायरेक्टर माय आई थिंक एवरीवन इज हियर. थैंक यू द एंटायर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. आई थिंक अच्छा टैलेंट नहीं होता तो मेरी कुछ वैल्यू नहीं होती. थैंक यू टू द ग्रेट टैलेंट एंड थैंक यू टू द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. थैंक यू वेरी मच राज भाई, ऑलवेज.
The next honor is for the Best Production Design Web Original Film Role Award, Hindi.
Best Production Design Web Original Film, the award goes to Subrata Chakravarti and Amit Ray. Maharaj on Netflix.
The next honor is for the Best Non-Fiction Original Series, Regional, and the winner is?
Best Non-Fiction Original Series, Special Regional, Telugu Indian Idol, Aha Media.
Thank you very much. This is very, very humbling indeed. Thanks to the entire AHA team and of course to the Nexa Indian Streaming Academy Awards for this award.
The next honor is for the Best Documentary Original Hindi.
Yo-Yo Honey Singh, famous Netflix and Shika Entertainment.
The next honor is for the Best Production Design Series Regional.
Best Production Design Series, Mandhar, Nagaonkar, Poacher, Prime Video.
The next honor is for the Best Non-Fiction Original Series Hindi.
There's a tie between the two series. Going to share the award, The Great and Fabulous Life versus Bollywood Wives.
Time to honor the Best Supporting Actor Series Female Hindi.
Best Supporting Actress Female, Sanvika, Panchayat 3, Prime Video.
The next honor is for the Best Supporting Actor Series Female Regional.
Hi, good evening everybody. The Best Supporting Actor Female goes to Sonali Kulkarni, Manvat Murders, Sony Live.
Thank you so much, everyone. This was one of the toughest roles of my career, and thank you to Academy Awards of India.
Alexa, play music.
For the ones who have it all, presenting the Maruti Suzuki Victoris. Got it all.
Time to honor the Best Director Series Hindi, and the award goes to?
I saw a lot of people rousing for one name. It is Mr. Jay Mehta for Lotera.
Thank you. I'm humbled. I'm grateful. I'm inspired. Thank you. Thank you.
It is time to honor the Domicile Best Supporting Actor Series Male Hindi. And to give away this award, I'd like to invite on stage Parul Gupta and Mr. Manoj Kumar Nair, Country Head India, Middle East and Africa Domicile, Germany, and Payal Rath.
Good evening, everyone. And for the Domicile Best Supporting Actor Series Male Hindi goes to Sikandar Khair for Arya Season 3 Jio Hotstar.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to the Indian Streaming Academy Awards, and thank you, Raj. I have my father here. Thanks for paying the rent, Dad. And most importantly, thank you, Ram. Thank you, Abhimanyu Ray, the casting director, for Daulat. And Arya is the gift that keeps on giving. I'm truly blessed and extremely grateful to be working. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The next honor is for the Domicile Best Supporting Actor Series Male Regional.
The winner is Dibyantu Bhattacharya for Poacher.
Now let's honor the Best Supporting Actor Web Original Film Female Regional.
And to give away this award, I would like to call on stage Mr. Manish Chaudhary.
Award for the Best Supporting Actor Female for an Web Original Film Regional, Meghla Das Gupta for Chalchitra Ekhon Prime Video.
Now it's time to honor the Best Actor Series Male Popular Hindi.
And to give away this award, may I like on stage Mr. Partho Banerjee, Senior Executive Officer, Marketing and Sales, Maruti Suzuki India Limited.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, on behalf of Maruti Suzuki, I would like to congratulate all the nominees and the winners of the second edition of Nexa India Streaming Academy Awards. Mr. Varun Dhawan, Citadel, Honey Bunny, Prime Video.
And to accept the award on his behalf, we would like to invite his mother, Lari Dhawan, on stage, please.
Varun has presented you all with the acceptance speech and apologized for not being there.
We'll just play his acceptance speech. Can we have the speech, please? Can we have the AV?
Thank you. Thank you so much to the Indian Streaming Academy Awards for bestowing me with the honor of Best Actor in an OTT series, Citadel Honey Bunny. Thank you to Raj and DK, to Sita, to Samantha, my amazing co-star, and all my co-stars.
Congratulations, ma'am, please. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to honor the Best Actor Series Male Popular Regional.
Mr. Roshan Matthew, Poacher from Prime Video.
Absolutely honored to be here and to receive this award in front of so many people who I admire, whose work inspires me. So thank you for making that happen, Indian Streaming Academy Awards. Thank you all to every single person who's watched the show, and if you haven't, please do. Thank you very much. Good night.
Congratulations. Moving on, the next award is to honor the Best Film Web Original Regional, and the winner is
Chalchitra Ekhon Prime Video, Anjan Dutt Productions.
Again, thanks everyone. I'm extremely glad. I'm overwhelmed. Thank you.
Now is the time to honor the La Nima Best Actor Web Original Film Female Critics, Hindi.
Prime Video.
Congratulations. आपसे जरूर जानना चाहेंगे कि क्या है ये ग्लो का राज और ये अवार्ड्स पे अवार्ड्स.
अंदर का बच्चा जिंदा है और मेहनत जिंदाबाद है और बहुत जोर से पैशन है. Well, thank you, Indian Streaming Academy Awards. And they take those baby steps every day to fulfill their dreams. This one is for you. Thank you.
And moving on, it's time to honor the La Nima Best Actor Web Original Film Female Popular Regional.
Goes to Purnima Ravi, Sevaki, Aha.
This is very special because this is my first award for a film, and that too for my first film.
And now it's time to honor the Best Actor Series Male Critics Regional.
My dear friend Ashu, please come up. Manvat Murders for Sony Live.
In fact, this is my first acting award. This one is really, really special. And finally, I want to thank the Indian Streaming Academy Awards. I want to thank Raj Nayak and Vishnuvardhan Induri.
More direction or more acting?
I like to, of course, direct. But like they say, my pehla nasha is acting.
The Living Legend Award honors an actor whose journey across theatre, cinema, television, and now OTT has been nothing short of extraordinary. We are proud to honor Anupam Kher, sir, with the Living Legend Award.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Anupam Kher.
Thank you, Goldie. So, Raj, what is living legend? There's no dead legend ever. I'm a newcomer. They should have given it the newcomer award. Living legend क्या होता है आपके लिए भी? But anyway, anything for Raj, anything for beginnings. This is the second year of this amazing Indian Streaming Academy Awards. This is just the beginning. Thank you very much. God bless you all.
तो एक राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज हो जाए फॉर न्यू कमर मिस्टर अनुपम खेर. सर, एक सवाल है. सवाल ये है कि आज आपको भी अवार्ड मिला है, बेटे को भी अवार्ड मिला है.
क्या बात
तो
है?
आज बिल कौन पे करने वाला है?
मैं ही दूंगा. मैं ये तो कपड़े पहन के नहीं आया ना, मतलब साफ सुथरे. बट आजा बेटा, एक फोटो साथ में ले ले. दोनों को पहली बार अवार्ड मिला. आजा.
One day maybe we can work together. I think we've spoken enough, guys. Carry on with the night. People want to sleep. नहीं और क्या बोलूँ? Dad, it was amazing.
मैं किस किस्म का पिताजी हूँ तुम्हारा? बोलो.
Well, to be very honest, he was becoming a star, so barely saw him. Now I get to see him, and it's really, really nice. But he is very, very encouraging.
So वो हेयर ऑयल का एड था
जी,
पर मैं वो नहीं पढ़ रहा था. मैं कोई खबर देख रहा था. तो ये छोटा सा था, 7 साल का. ये पीछे से गया, इसने देखा, कहता डैड सोचना भी मत. But thank you, it's wonderful. I'm so proud of you that you actually got this award.
Alexa, play music.
For the ones who have it all, presenting the Maruti Suzuki Victoris. Got it all.
And the next award is for the Best Director Series Regional.
Best Actor Series Regional, Vasant Balan, Thalemez, Selim.
So let's honor the Best Director, Web Original Film Hindi.
And the winner is?
Siddharth Malhotra Maharaj, Netflix.
The Best Series Hindi.
The Viral Fever, Vijay Koshi, Panchayat Season 3, Prime Video.
Next award is to honor the Best Series Regional.
QC Entertainment, Poacher, Prime Video.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we honor them as the trailblazers of streaming entertainment. Please welcome the unstoppable duo, Raj and DK.
Ladies and gentlemen, Raj and DK.
DK, he's missing.
He's missing? Where is it?
I think he's outside.
Yeah.
But thank you for the honor and a really good event and all the very best for the Indian Streaming Academy Awards. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. The next honor is for Best Actor Series Female Popular Hindi.
Goes to Samantha Ruth Prabhu.
Firstly, to be nominated with, just looking at the list of actors I was nominated with, gave me goosebumps. That itself is the greatest honor for me. I think that with creators like Raj and DK, they really make you greedy for more, and also pretty patient to wait for the right projects and be part of quality work. And I thank them for teaching me that patience and also teaching me to be a better actor. So thank you. Thank you to Amazon. Thank you to the Indian Streaming Awards. And I'm extremely grateful to be here. Thank you.
Congratulations, Samantha. Well, the next award is for the Best Actor Series, Female Popular Regional.
The award goes to Shriya Reddy.
Thank you all so much. When a director truly believes in you, and it's truly been an amazing journey. Thank you all so much. You guys are doing a great job.
Thank you. The next honor is for the Best Actor Series Female Critics, Hindi.
Sonali Bendre for Broken News to G5.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you, Indian Streaming Academy Awards. Raj, you promised it would be a surprisingly lovely evening, and it is. Thank you so much for the award. The world had changed so much. So it was new beginnings, new learnings, gave me my confidence back, and here's to a lot more. Thank you. Have a wonderful evening.
The next award is to honor the Best Film Web Original Hindi.
Is Amar Singh Chamkila.
And on that note, we would like to congratulate all the winners.
That is the Nexa Indian Streaming Academy Awards.
Milenge next year. Till then, keep dreaming and keep making some crazy content. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Alexa, play music.
For the ones who have it all, presenting the Maruti Suzuki Victoris. Got it all.